Okay, so in today's math lesson, as you can see, we're adding fractions and the denominators are not the same. And so that's where we're going to begin. We're going to start making these denominators, dealing with the denominators. We'd like to make them the same. So first thing I'm going to do is make a nice display of my 3/4 here. So I'm going to split this into fourths, and I'm going to shade in 3 of them to represent my 3/4. Here they are. And now I'm going to represent the 1/3, except this time I'm going to change the direction of my shading. There's a reason why I'm going to do that. I'm going to change colors now so you can see what's going on here. So now I'm going to take my fourths and I'm going to imprint that in my second diagram. And my thirds from the second fraction, I'm going to imprint in my first diagram. The reason why I want to do that is so that I can have the same number of boxes in each diagram. And I notice I have 12 in each diagram. Here they are. So now I have 4 that are shaded in on this side and 9 that are shaded in on this side. Notice it's the same amount of shading though. 9/12 is equivalent to 3/4. 1/3 is equivalent to 4/12. Nothing has really changed other than the numbers. The values have stayed the same. A little different here because my answer is 13 out of 12, or 13 over 12. We call that an improper fraction. Improper. And the reason why it's improper is because the top number is bigger than the bottom number. And that's just no good. So we have to deal with that. Now visually we can take care of this pretty quickly. Watch what happens here. Let me change colors again. Because I have 3 empty boxes here, and I have 3 shaded boxes here, what I can do is take those 3 shaded, toss them over there, and I now have 1 full box right here. And I have 1, let me go back to blue. Notice I have 1 shaded box left right there. 1 out of that 12. So I have 1 out of 12 that's left, which is why 13 over 12 becomes 1 and 1/12. There it is. Okay. Let me do one more for you. Let me get rid of this here, and we'll cruise down to this guy here. This one's pretty cool. So let me start again. So I have 2/3 plus 5/6. So here comes my 2/3. Split that into thirds, and I'll shade in 2. And I'll do another one. And this is 1/6, so I need to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to shadow in or shade in 5 of them. There's 1, 2, 3. Now I have an advantage here. I can change colors, which makes things nice. Different color pencils. I guess you could do that too. Here we go. Now I'm going to transfer my thirds over here and transfer my 6ths over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines ought to do it. Here we go. Now, 5 and 6, I have 18 total boxes now, and that's good stuff. I want the same amount of boxes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them are on this side, and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are on this side. Add them up, and I wind up with 27 over 18, which is kind of cool. Let's see. So now I can transfer things over because, once again, this answer is improper. 27 is a larger number than 18. But I notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 can move on over there, which means I have 1 full box now. And I have, let me change colors again. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. So I have 9 over 18 there. Now check out this 9 over 18. Now visually, let me change colors again. It's getting to be a lot of fun now. I still had these shaded in out of the entire deal here. Okay. And you'll notice that 9 out of 18 is really 1/2, and visually you can see it. Here's my shaded area. Okay, there's my 1/2. So 1 and 9/18 is really 1 and 1/2. So that's the deal. All right, folks. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.